guys, good morning. We're off for our Sunday adventure. Even if it's very raining, look, heavy rain. My goodness, I don't know how we're gonna get on with this walking about. There's a storm coming. Oh, there's a storm actually yesterday. It was very windy and the other day. So darling, where are we going?
Going to the cider outlet.
Oh my god, it's cider outlet. So window shopping. So that's all for now, guys. Bye. Okay guys, we're here waiting again, queuing for our lunch. Look, the line is all there. All the way. That's why they're here, look. Queuing for food.
I'm hungry.
Who's hungry? There's one.
I'm hungry.
Me too. We're hungry. It's what time is it, darling?
About 1:30.
1:30 and we haven't had our lunch. Guys, nandito na kami. Nakaupo na rin kami sa wakas. Look, busy. Waiting for the drink. And nag-order pa lang kami. Dito ulit sa mga mama as usual. Our favorite. So it's a very busy day. We'll see you again, guys, after we ordered food. Guys, look, we got our drink. I got mine. What is that, darling?
Ginger mojito.
Having a high five. This is very good. I like this. It's very good, guys. This is really good when you have empty stomach. Then you drink fresh juice, like fresh.
This is nice too, warms you up.
We are waiting for our food, guys. This is Sunday, so me and Paul's day. So now you've got your food, darling.
I'm hungry. Happy now.
He got his food now. He's happy. He's happy man.
Very happy.
He doesn't like egg and kimchi, so I'll have it.
Yeah, you can have that. Here's your dinner. Here's your dinner.
Thank you. Guys, ayan na ang aking food. That's a pork belly ramen. It's a shiro-dashi pork belly. Shiro-dashi pork belly, guys. So that's my food for today, for lunch. Guys, look! Oh my god! Sa akin lang yan. Kasi ayaw niya ng eggs, so I got two again. So guys, enjoy the Sunday. Look. Nagutom na kasi ano ng oras. What time is it, darling?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock? It's 2:18. 2:18. Oh my God. Ngayon pa lang kami maglalunch, guys. So kain muna kami. Kain muna. It's ready.
Ready.
Oh, check it out. It's good.
What is it?
Pork belly.
I like pork belly.
You like this, darling?
No, that's not very nice, that stuff. And it smells.
Kimchi.
You can keep that stuff. Look at this. My bowl's empty. Look, that's all I got. Look all you got.
We just watched me and Dribble while watching the eating.
It's normal.
Really good, guys. You should try it.
Tasty.
Guys, look. I've finished, but I can't finish all the noodles. It's quite a lot. Somebody else finished my drink.
I know you're talking about.
Bye guys. So we're having not coffee, hot chocolate, guys.
These two for me.
Really?
Yeah, these are mine.
Only for him, not there.
What are you having?
I'll just watch you while I'm dribbling, watching you drinking all of that.
Okay, we don't make too much of a deal. There you go.
So yeah, we're having he's having a he's having a white chocolate.
White hot
I'm
chocolate.
having a normal chocolate with the cream. So that's the one. So yeah, we're enjoying ourselves. It's nearly it's 4 o'clock already. It's 4 o'clock. So yeah, we're having this resting from window shopping. Very good, guys. Nice. And outside, look, parking outside. So this is a bit of a busy place here. Not very busy actually. See you guys. We'll enjoy our hot chocolate. Guys, this is Black Forest chocolate. What's yours? White chocolate? What? What chocolate doesn't know? Mine is black chocolate. Why do they call it black chocolate?
This is Black Forest.
Black Forest.
Even though yours is either.
Now we are at the Chinese. We're going. He's wondering what he's going to order for dinner because there's so many choices. Look at that; it's very nice. So guys, we're here at the Chinese restaurant at the moment.
Red chili.
Red chili, and it's his street. That's his street. Yes, guys. So morning till night time we are doing some shopping and eating. The whole time is eating. It's yours, darling. Thank you.
Thank you.
That's his food. Oh my goodness. Sizzling. Careful. Guys, it's boiling.
I think I need a fire extinguisher.
Guys, I don't know how it's going to affect this thing. See that? It's smoking. Smoking. Darling, how is it?
Nice.
You like it? Guys, nandito na ako sa sasakyan. Kasi ang lamig sa labas, maulan pa, basa sa labas. Yun, nagbayad siya ng parking namin. And guys, look, I have a takeaway. Hindi ko kasi siya kayang ubusin. Kaya yun, sayang naman kung hindi ko dadalhin. So, ayan. There is. Thank you, darling. We're going back home.